Hi, welcome to the Orange Ride on the Republic Day, and we are going to a resort called Pratham in Kundapur, which is about 45 to 50 kilometers from here. Rayan, who is going to be the lead rider, and we have Swaroop, ride monitor, and Pranava will be our drag rider. Don't overtake the lead rider, don't go behind the drag rider. Ride monitor will monitor your ride. So we'll have some fun. Plus ambulance and crew car is with us today, and a safety car will also go. And it's a water park. I'm sure everybody have got extra pair of swimming trunks. After lunch, we will all head back here. Ride safe, enjoy the Republic Day, and Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Jai! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Jai! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Jai! So, it's Republic Day Orange Ride from Manipal KTM to the resort in Kundapura. It's Prathamin. Yeah, here's the KTM dealership in Bajaj. So we are waiting, and the lineup is complete. So here is my group of riders, a lot of riders today. So they're all lined up and we'll be starting shortly. Here is our lead rider. Untle Kundapura poparattanama. Kundapura poi bokka. Yanire gortek malpe. So welcome to my channel, guys, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you all. The Orange Ride has just started and we are leaving Udupi town and heading towards the highway so that we could go to Kundapur. A place is actually Kandavar. It's called the Prathamin Resort, which is having a small water park also. So it's going to be fun. We have about 25 riders today and a couple of pillions. So we are about 36 to 38 people on this Orange Ride. Because of a bit of a traffic on a holiday, we are a little scattered. Probably we'll find them ahead. I hope they'll line up and wait for us. Wait. Maintain 80 kilometers. Shall we go? After Kundapur, I'll overtake you so that I know the way to the rest. Yeah, all go in the straight line. Wow, this is fantastic. All are lining up. Okay. So this is Orange Ride, guys, and our ride monitor is doing a fantastic job. The lead rider just stopped for all of us to come, and it's a very good highway ride. Plus there are a little bit of zigzags. Okay, all my subscribers, a news I had to share with you. I just bought a Duke 250 couple of months back, the 2017 edition, but I bought the Duke 250 probably in October, but I couldn't get time to make a vlog about it. So I was riding a lot. So this is the Duke 250 that I'm riding, which I bought for myself because I always told Duke 250 is the combination of power and economy, and especially like I said in my, having a motorcycle or having a Duke, having a KTM Duke is in itself freedom with power, and it's very stable on the highways. It's very, very stable on the highways. Okay, my safety car and my car has just joined us here, so that is good. Nice weather. तो जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया था कि KTM ऑरेंज राइड जो है वो फ्री होता है। KTM डीलरशिप वाले अपने कस्टमर्स को राइड पे बुलाते हैं। आधा दिन का राइड होता है, वहाँ कोई मस्ती भी होती है। आज जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ वाटर पार्क भी है, थोड़ी मस्ती करेंगे और लंच के बाद हम फिर से वापस लौटेंगे। ऑरेंज राइड सिर्फ आधा दिन का होता है और ये फ्री होता है, जो KTM के सारे कस्टमर्स को डीलरशिप वाले महीने में शायद एक बार या 2 महीने में एक बार बुलाते हैं। सबको मिलने का मौका मिलता है, एक साथ राइड करने का मौका मिलता है, अपने आइडियाज़ को शेयर करने का मौका मिलता है, आगे टूर की भी प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं और एक कम्युनिटी सी बन जाती है कि सब लोग अपने ट्रैवल सीरीज़, ट्रैवल एडवेंचर को एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करते हैं। और ये KTM की बहुत खासियत है कि हर कस्टमर जब एक KTM कोई ख़रीद लेता है तो एक कम्युनिटी का एक पार्ट बन जाता है। KTM की जो बड़ी कम्युनिटी है इंडिया में, उसकी एक पार्ट बन जाता है। Oh, so nice. Our drag rider, oh, it's a ride monitor. He was waiting for me. Nice. Ride monitor is doing a great job. Good job, man. Good job. See, this is what KTM ride is all about. If someone is left behind, ride monitor will immediately slow down and find the guy and then ride back with him. For KTM rides, safety is more important. We tend to give more focus on the safety of rides. We'll have an ambulance going with us, a doctor going with us, a crew car, a safety car driving wherever we go. So that's a part of KTM safety rides. And whenever somebody falls back, like I'm behind because I was just checking whether all the ride cars are there behind us. So the ride monitor slowed down and waited for me, and now he is known that I'm here, so he's going ahead to monitor the ride. I'm waiting for him. Sujan! Yeah. Sujan left. He's there. What happened, guys? Okay, fuel one and tuned. You also fuel. Okay, do one thing, guys. Next fueling station, you guys go ahead, put fuel and wait near the fueling station. Wow, this is beautiful. All are riding in the formation and this looks really nice. Everybody lined up. Now I have to take the lead. Hi, guys. I'll take the lead. But all throughout this was all almost a highway ride, but later we're going to have a short way towards the resort. I hope my GoPro's GPS is on and it's capturing telemetry data so that I can put this dial here and these information here. We're going to go inside right there, which is the way to our resort. We are almost there. We're getting there. So we are almost reaching a resort. Can't wait to get into the water park and have some fun. And there's really a very nice and a big spread of lunch being organized for my friends and KTM guests today. I'm sure they're going to really enjoy it. And whenever Manipal KTM or I organize an orange ride or orange tour, I want to make sure that it's special, it's a lot of fun, and every time they have some memories to take back with you. Oh, the roads are a little bad, but okay. Very careful on the sand. I stand and I ride my bike whenever there are bad roads. This is a resort we are going to and having some fun. All the riders have arrived. It's crazy, but it's awesome. Oh!